Introducing WalkMe Embedded for Salesforce Lightning, a central hub for instant access to the tools and information revenue teams need, entirely within Salesforce Lightning. Employees are wasting time searching for help tools and resources rather than the task at hand. With WalkMe Embedded, make work more productive and efficient, entirely in-app. Streamline task completion with access to quick links and enterprise search to save time when searching for business-critical information. Be more efficient by automating business processes to eliminate empty clicks, cut time, and uphold data integrity. Ensure users are proficient on Salesforce with a personalized onboarding task list to reduce support needs and minimize errors. Send employees customized and targeted messages or updates directly within the app. Empower revenue teams from day one. Integrate WalkMe Embedded into Salesforce Lightning today.